Hey guys, good morning. This is Noel here, and you are watching KD Architect. So, welcome to KD Architect. So, today in this video, I'll explain something new regarding roof. So, generally, we create the roof by peak wall and peak line. So, actually, we don't know the difference between peak wall and peak line. So, I'll explain the basic difference between creating roof by peak wall and peak line. So, for the better understanding, keep watching till end. So, instead of wasting time, let's get started. So, as you can see over here, we have level 1 and 3D view. So, first of all, we'll create over here wall, and for the wall, we are using WS shortcut. Now, over here, we'll draw four walls over here. So, let me draw 50 feet by 30 feet like this way. This is our 50 and okay. Now, if you see, we have drawn the over here walls. Now, we'll copy same walls over here, select all and copy command. And now we have copy the second. Now over here we'll create the roof by peak wall, and over here we'll create the roof by peak line. Okay. So first of all, let me change the wall type over here. So over here we'll use the generic wall. Okay, this one is fine. Okay. Now first of all, let me over here change to hidden line. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Then if you see over here, we'll create a roof by peak wall. So first of all, go to architecture, and over here we'll create a roof. So roof by footprint will select, and over here we'll create the roof at level 2. Click on the yes. Now, if you find over here, we have two options, peak line and peak wall. So first we'll create peak walls. Now we have will assign the 2 feet overhang. So so this is our 2 feet. Now, just we need to pick the walls like this way, and for the slope, 30 degrees fine, and click on the finish. So if you see, we have created one roof. Now we'll create second roof over here. Now for the creating second roof, we'll do same process, roof by footprint, level 2, click on the yes, and over here we'll select pick line. And now let's pick the lines over here. So over here we'll select the lines now. Okay, I forgot to add the you can say offset. So we'll add 2 feet offset, and now we'll select pick line. So if you see, यहाँ पे मैं इस line को यहाँ पे pick कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ से 2 feet का overhang we are creating by pick line like this way. Okay, and now click on the finish. So यहाँ पे दोनों roof create हो गए हैं. Now we'll cut one section over here. Let me cut one section, and let's go to view over here, and let's go to view. Now let me change this view to over here. So if you see, we have created this roof by peak wall, and we have created this roof by peak line. So if you see over here, you can clearly differentiate the you can say the difference of creating roof by peak wall and peak line. So if you see यहाँ पे let me attach first walls. Select all with the help of tab key and attach and select the roof. And now for the second one, with the help of tab key, select all walls, attach to roof. Okay. Now let me explain the concept of plate height. So for the base level 2, यहाँ पे जहाँ पे the wall is intersecting the roof, this is our plate height. So if you see, यहाँ पे हमारी plate height जो है wall जो है वो यहाँ पे intersect हो रही है. If you see, if you find this dot, this is our plate height. So if you see, for this roof, we have plate height is 10 feet, and for the second one, let me DI, and from the base, we can measure the plate height. Okay, so let me select this dot intersecting point, and this is our plate height. So now if you see over here, with the help of a peak wall, we have 10 feet plate height, and for the you can say the roof which is created by peak line. So in this roof we have 11 feet 1 inch. So यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं हमारा plate height में difference यहाँ पे create हुआ है. So that is the basic difference of creating roof by peak wall and peak line. So whenever you want to create the roof by with the help of you can say plate height, then you need to choose the way of peak wall. Otherwise, you can create the roof by peak lines and you can adjust the height of the roof, or you can say you can adjust the plate height. So whenever you are working with the help of you can say whenever you working on the roof plan, and if you have plate height and slope in the roof plan and you want to create the similar roof in the Revit, in that case you must choose the roof by peak wall. So this is the ideal way to create the roof, and in this case we can get the perfect plate height of the roof. So I hope you like this video and I hope you understood the difference between roof by peak wall and peak line. So if you really like our tutorial, please leave one like and share it with your friends. So wait for the another video. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.